How's it going? In this episode I'll be using my Wolverine MTW. This platform is ridiculously quiet and remarkably accurate. You join me as I approach the western edge of the village. I realise though it's in good hands. We have a few friendlies here. Enough friendlies to realise they don't really need me here with them. So I move towards the more risky central area. I wait and watch, just to make sure there's nobody looking for sneaky buggers like me. So far so good. I take a chance and move to a more open area to get a better view. There's a drainage ditch just 5 metres in front of me. It's only a few feet deep, but it leads through and around the village. If I can get into it, it will give me a better chance of moving unseen and allow me to get closer to the enemy team. There doesn't seem to be any bad guys in this area. Now's my time to make my move. I take a moment to let the dust settle and have a look around my new position. There's no incoming fire and there's nobody calling out my position. It seems I remain undetected. The church building in front of me is a favourite for players to get into. Once they're in, it's hard to get them out. The thing is though, it has very limited views to the outside. My only concern is a window on the right hand side of the tower. I must be vigilant. Most of the year this trench has water in it, and usually I'm wading past my ankles, sometimes even up to my knees. There's a faint sound of player voices coming from several directions. Directions I know that there won't be any friendly players in. I can hear voices coming from the church building. Sounds like more than one person, but I have no idea whether they're friendly or enemy. I then spot the first bad guy. By the time he sees me, it's too late for him. My awareness levels are now on overdrive. Where there's one enemy, there's sure to be more. That was quite the noisy takedown. If there are any more enemy in this area, they're now sure to be on high alert. I take a moment to gather my thoughts, catch my breath and try and lower my adrenaline levels, which are now surging. Little do I know there's an enemy extremely close on high alert, looking for the culprit who just took out his teammate. To his detriment, he heads to the town hall building. Fortunately for him, the entry point is just the other side of this window, and I'll see his movement through the gaps. I know I'm pushing my luck here. The players I've previously taken out could be coming back from respawn any time. My cards are marked and the heat is on. Too many enemy players now know where I am, and I'm being surrounded. That was one of the guys I shot earlier, and he's back for revenge. Again, he's approaching the town hall, and I spot his movement through the gaps. I'm waiting for his silhouette to break the light here. He's gone past the doorway, so I know he hasn't entered the building. In the heat of the moment, I fail to realise my head is highlighted by a white background. I may as well have a target painted on me.
Hit! Nice one, mate. Good shot. You too, man.
He peeks the corner, and I'm not ready. And the best I can do is a 50-50 with him. I've been told an enemy squad is approaching this location. I find an appropriate area to set up an ambush. It's not long before they approach.
Are you seriously telling me none of them hit you? And the bread you had again.
There doesn't appear to be any more coming this way, so I move to another location. This looks like a good ambush point. That rusty old APC is sure to draw somebody in that's seeking cover.
Snakes. Please be no snakes. Please be no snakes. Here we go. Why is everything so prickly around here?
Time to convene with the rest of my team. You think we've cleared out all the enemy from the area, until that dark green object comes to life.
He's in the, I think he's in the drum. That came from the drum.
If you want to see a team of Ghillies ambush military vehicles, then check out the video on the screen now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next episode.